Ham and mozzarella omelette roll. A versatile and tasty main course, perfect for any occasion. Put the cracked eggs in a bowl. Whisk well with a hand whisk. Add salt and pepper, and mix again. Also, add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Pour the mixture into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in a static oven at 20°C390F for 12 minutes. Slice the mozzarella. Remove the tray from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Arrange 2 sheets of plastic wrap over and under the omelette and let rest. Stuff with slices of mozzarella and ham. Roll it up tightly, using the plastic wrap to help. Let the roll rest tightly wrapped for 10 minutes, then remove the plastic and slice the roll. Serve with fresh seasonal salad. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.